Hey guys, welcome to this video, and we have got Samsung Galaxy A8 Plus here. So I'm going to unbox this phone. I've been waiting for it for some time now and finally it's here. So let's unbox this phone and see what's inside, and let's turn it on for the first time as well. So we have a nice way to pick this up, so let's put it aside. We've got some stickers and then we have got our phone, so let's pull it out, and there it is, Samsung Galaxy A8 Plus, all glass at the back and at the front. And we have seen this build a million times before now in Samsung Galaxy S6, S7, S8, Note 8 and whatever. It's really familiar now, but this is the start of the show here. Fingerprint in the center, at the back, thankfully, so you don't really have to stretch your finger all the way to the right or left. And at the front we've got dual cameras, again nice addition from Samsung. Let's put it aside for a while and take a look at the box and its contents. So we have got our charger. It is supported by adaptive fast charging. We have our cable, USB Type-C, headphones. We have got this USB converter here as well. We get a back pouch, nice, so we can protect the back of the phone. So that was unboxing. Let's take a look at the phone. Really happy to have it. Let's take off this glass, let's take off the sticker finally, and let's take this one off as well. And we have got some stickers at the sides. Okay, so Samsung is being really protective here. So finally I've got an edge and I can remove this as well. So anyways, that's the phone. Really nice. You can reach the fingerprint really easily here. And let's turn it on because I really want to see this display. We have got infinity display, so this is 18.5 by 9 screen ratio and it's full HD. And let's turn it on, and there we go. Down below we have our headphone jack, or USB Type-C connector. We have got the speakers at the side, power button here, and we have got volume buttons here. We've got I believe SIM tray here. One of these is a SIM tray and the other one is SD card, because this is obviously a dual SIM phone. And there we are. Now this is really similar to what we got on S8 and S8 Plus and what we get on Note 8. The launcher is the same. You swipe up to go to the app drawer and swipe down to do the same. Very similar experience. Let's go in the settings and take a look at the software and confirm. I believe it's running on Android Nougat. Software information, Android version 7.1.1, Samsung Experience version 8.5. I believe we are not going to see Android Oreo here before we get that on S8 or S8 Plus or even Note 8. So we might have to wait a bit before we get Android Oreo on this phone. I just want to compare it quickly with my Note 8 here. So that's Note 8, and my Note 8 has 6.3 inch display and A8 Plus has 6-inch display, and you can see the size difference between these two phones. Note 8 is still a beast in front of this one, but still it's a very compact body and we get a huge display. At the back you can see the difference. We have a fingerprint sensor in the center now instead of at the side, which is really cool, and I'm really happy to finally have that. So that's about it from this video, guys. If you have any questions about this phone, you can let me know in the comments, or you can catch me up on Twitter as well. I will put the links in the description, and I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.